Up for auction in Eagle Lake, Texas, this 1971 Cessna 150L is a standout example of how a classic trainer can be transformed into a capable and fun backcountry aircraft. Featuring a 160 horsepower bush conversion and Texas Taildragger kit, this upgraded tailwheel Cessna delivers strong climb performance, light and responsive handling, and rugged versatility for pilots who want more than the average 150 can offer. It's also banner tow ready, adding extra utility for commercial or recreational use. Whether you're flying into short strips, operating from grass fields, or just looking for an affordable and adventurous taildragger, this aircraft delivers. With proven Cessna reliability, solid build quality, and only 4,622 total time, N6975G is a tough little workhorse ready for its next mission.